Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about preparations of meta-nitroaniline. This is very common practical in organic chemistry lab. The aim of this experiment is to study selective reductions. What is the principle? The nitro group is an electron withdrawing group. In meta-dinitrobenzene, the two nitro groups withdraws electrons from benzene and is destabilized due to accumulations of positive charge on the ring. In the presence of reducing agent like N2H2, the nitro group in meta position is reduced to amino group. Since amino group is electron releasing group, it stabilizes the ring by allowing the charge dispersal. So reactions, partial reductions or semi reductions. What chemicals you need? Meta-dinitrobenzene 5 grams, concentrated hydrochloric acid 9 ml, aqueous ammonia, sodium sulfide 7 grams and sulfur 1.5 grams. The apparatus use beaker and glass rod. What is the procedure? Add 1.5 gram of finely powdered sulfur to a solution of 7 gram of sodium sulfide in 40 ml of water in a beaker and boil the mixture gently for a few minutes until a clear solution of bisulfide is obtained. Heat 5 grams of meta-dinitrobenzene in 50 ml of water and add bisulfide solutions dropwise for 40 minutes. Stir the solution with glass rod. Boil the solution gently for 20 minutes. Allow it to cool in ice. Filter it and wash with cold water. Transfer the solid to a beaker containing 40 ml of water and add 9 ml of conchyl. Boil for 50 minutes. Meta-nitroaniline dissolve living sulfurs and other unreacted meta-dinitrobenzene. Filter it and add excess of aqueous ammonia to the filtrate. Meta-nitroaniline separates as bright yellow crystalline compounds. Check the after crystallization with alcohol, check the melting point 100 and 14 degrees Celsius. So friends, we have to know the reactions and mechanism also, because without reaction mechanism we cannot study organic chemistry. So organic chemistry means you should know the reactions and their mechanism. You see, this is the meta-dinitrobenzene and Na2H2 sodium sulfide H2O. It gave meta-nitroaniline. So you see the mechanisms: formation of Na2H2 and then these nitro groups remove electrons in forming this, and then proton approaching on one oxygen forming this, and again proton approaching and forming this, removal of water and formation of nitrogen oxygen double bonds, and then protons, you can see the NH and nitrogen oxygen double bonds, again protons attack on this oxygen forming NHOH, and then again proton attack on this OH, a removal of water and forming this, and then again proton attacking here and forming meta-nitroaniline. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.